Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you on how to get the range, variance, standard deviation, and mean. So first, in getting the class mark, you will add both numbers or the both intervals 61 and 65, then divided by 2. So 63, then follow 58, 53, 48, 43, 38, 33, 28, and 23. So in getting the f of x, he will multiply the frequency and the class mark. So 63 times 2 is 126. 58 times 5 is 290. 53 times 12 is 636. 14 times 48 is 672. 43 times 13 is 559. 38 times 10 is 380. 33 times 5 is 165. 28 times 3 is 84. 23 times 1 is 23. And in getting the class mark minus mean column is, first, you will add these numbers on the column of f of x and on the column of frequency. So the total of f of x divided by the total of f, and then we will get the mean. So we will get the total of f of x. 126 plus 290 plus 636 plus 672 plus 559 plus 380 plus 165 plus 84 and plus 23 is equals to 2,935. Then in the frequency column, 2 plus 5 plus 12 plus 14 plus 13 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3 and plus 1 is equals to 65. So the formula of mean is summation of f of x divided by summation of f. So 2,935 divided by 65 is equals to 45.15. So that's the mean. Now we can get the class mark minus mean column. So 63 minus 45.15 is 17.85. 58 minus 45.15 is 12.85. 53 minus 45.15 is 7.85. 48 minus 45.15 is 2.85. 43 minus 45.15 is negative 2.15. 38 minus 45.15 is negative 7.15. 33 minus 45.15 is negative 12.15. 28 minus 45.15 is negative 17.15. 23 minus 45.15 is negative 22.15. So in getting the class mark minus mean column squared, you'll just square each of these numbers. So 17.85 squared is 318.62. 12.85 squared is 165.12. 7.85 squared is 61.62. 2.85 squared is 8.12. Negative 2.15 squared is 4.62. Negative 7.15 squared is 51.12. Negative 12.15 squared is 147.62. Negative 17.15 squared is 294.12. Negative 22.15 squared is 490.62. So in getting the frequency times class mark minus mean squared is you will just multiply these numbers in this column multiplied by the frequency column. So 318.62 times 2 is 637.24. Then follow 165.12 times 5 is 825.6. 61.62 times 12 is 739.44. 8.12 times 14 is 113.68. 4.62 times 13 is 60.06. 51.12 times 10 is 511.2. 147.62 times 5 is 738.1. 294.12 times 3 is 882.36. And last, 490.62 times 1 is 490.62. Then the total of these numbers is 4,258.86. So in getting the range, the formula of range is the highest number minus lowest. And then you will add 0.5 to the highest number. So 65.5 is the highest number. minus, you will subtract 0.5 to the lowest number, which is 21. 21 minus 0.5 is 20.5. So 65.5 minus 20.5 is equals to 45. So in getting the variance, the formula of the variance is summation of f times class mark minus mean squared divided by, so 4,258.86 divided by 64 is equals to 66.54. And in getting the SD, you will just get the square root of the variance, which is 66.44. So the square root of 66.44 is 8.16. So that's all.